McCormick is a brand steeped in history, with production of its earliest farming equipment dating back to the 1800s. While a prominent tractor brand overseas, the company has had only a sporadic presence in Australia until now. Clark Equipment assumed the brand's Australian distribution several years ago and is adamant McCormick is here to stay. Underlining that sentiment, it recently launched the brand's G Max mid-range tractor series onto the Australian market.
The G Max actually is not a new model per se. It's something that we've reinvented and brought back here into Australia in a streamlined setup, I guess is what you'd say. We've brought them in two models, a 135 horsepower Tier 3 6-cylinder engine. It's an IVECO engine, just with an 18 by 18 transmission with a 3-speed power shift.
There is also a 160 horsepower model for those preferring that bit of extra power. McCormick's tractors are built in Italy, giving them the European edge in terms of design and performance.
We run French front-end loaders and then supplying at this stage Australian 4-in-1 buckets or standard buckets, bale grabs, supplying our implements in Australia there. We do a slopey nose bonnet, so we've got better vision out of the front, and of course you can see your attachments for coupling and uncoupling your attachments there. Coming around the machine, we've brung fenders and guards on ours there as standard. External linkage controls, raise and lower, as well as PTO engagement, which is external there as well. Standard on the machine is 3 sets of hydraulic outlets there. Drawbar, which is adjustable and pivoting. Quick hitch there is standard. 9-ton lift capacity on the rear there as well. External hydraulic controls for flow adjustment.
Another drawcard for the G Max is the simple controls that give operators of varying experience the ability to hop in and start driving.
So we've got our mechanical gear change with D-clutch button, 3-speed power shift, so 3 up, 3 down, PTO engage, disengage, linkage controls over here, diff lock and 4-wheel drive, and of course engine throttle revs there. Front end loader is all joystick controlled with of course your third function, just push button third function. It's a high vis cabin as well, so you've got vision out for your front end loader, you can see when you're loading and unloading.
Pricing for the G Max range, which comes standard with a loader and 4-in-1 bucket, starts from $108,000 plus GST.
McCormick is back in general, that we do have the backup and the service to support the brand. We're flying at this stage, so I mean, coming into a drought, we're still doing really well, and you know, we've got high hopes for the future.